Are you looking to use tea to get healthy, lose weight, help your blood pressure, cardiovascular issues? Tea has a long history of being an effective way to help heal the body. But a lot of people don't understand how health and wellness works when implementing teas and herbs to their diet. They think it's a one-size-fits-all, just like pharmaceuticals. Pills don't work that way, and neither does tea. In this video, I'm going to help you to understand how to use teas and herbs to heal the body, the mind, and yes, even your soul. Zen's Tea House's mission is helping people through the power of tea, and we do this not just by offering tea. We do it by changing the way people look at tea. You have to look at it as a lifestyle. Thousands of Zen's Tea House customers have found relief using teas and herbs to help with their lifestyle, to help with their diet, their cardiovascular, their weight. And it's not because they use it like any other drink or adding it as a pill. They have to slow down and make their tea. That's one of the challenges of loose leaf tea, is you have to get good at brewing tea. The very art of brewing tea requires mindfulness. People must slow down. Here in the United States, we're so quick, rush. We're rushing to make money. We're rushing to go into this relationship. We're rushing to get to this place in life where we think that being there will create some level of peace. The truth is, the moment that we have right now, if we cherish and value the time that we have, the moment, the air in our lungs, we will start living a healthier lifestyle. When you start implementing a Zen tea lifestyle, it requires people to slow down, to relax, and to meditate. As you brew your tea, understand that this tea is not going to just solve your problem. Rather, you are mentally and emotionally going to use this tea to help you solve and heal yourself. Healing yourself is possible because truly your body can heal itself through time, through sleep, through relaxation, through mindfulness. You can treat your body very poorly by how you eat, how you drink, or lack of sleep and food. If you're going to use teas and herbs to help your body to improve its cardiovascular, your weight loss, blood pressure, diabetes, insomnia, then you will want to work with someone or go on this journey with someone who's going through the same thing. This is an emotional journey, by the way. When people are going through health and wellness struggles, they can often be irrational. They're not thinking right. The idea of death, pain, and suffering scares people. That emotional component is so instrumental in the beginning. You have to desire, to be excited, to have hope and believe that your body can heal itself. No matter how bad off we are, the body is a living organism. It is a biologically functioning machine, and it regenerates. It regenerates through sleep, through food, and through relationships. When you are going through this health and wellness journey, it's important to be emotionally stable and emotionally grounded. You can be a very healthy person, but emotionally, if your mind, your heart, your emotions are taking the best of you, you will resort to unhealthy habits that do damage. Emotion is also associated with mental health. Some people have some serious mental health diagnoses. I want to make sure that you understand that tea can be used as a supplement, but it is not a cure. And sometimes little incremental steps is how we get to our health and wellness goals. Emotional health, mental health, that mindfulness is what Zen's Tea House promotes. These two aspects of health, emotional and mental, are instrumental in implementing a healthy, organic, loose leaf tea into your lifestyle for health and wellness. I hope this was insightful, and I hope you use this to help you and your loved ones find prosperity, health, and wellness.